So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we will discuss a sample question that can be come in TCS DCA exam that is going to happen in February. So question is that we have given a string which the string is a combination of both the lowercase and the uppercase, and from the string arrange the characters in such a way that the lower letters are should come first. Okay, so here this is the statement says that we have given a string that TCS is best. So in this string, there's uppercase and lowercase characters, and from this string we have to extract the lower characters and place that characters first and all the uppercase characters at the last. So here you can see T is in uppercase, B is in uppercase, and also I is in uppercase. So we have placed all these characters at the last, TIB. So without wasting the time, let's move to the solution. So here this is the solution. First we will convert the string to the character array. Then we will check every character. If the character is in lowercase, then we will save that character in a separate variable, and if the character is in uppercase, then we will store that uppercase variable in a separate place, and at last we will add both the uppercase and the lowercase and will print it. So let's move to the code. Here we have created a class DCA and we will code here in DCA. So this will read the input from the user, and the user that user string will store in variable as. So So we have completed our code. Here is the code. So what we are doing in this code, the string s will store the input, and we have declared the two variables, lower variable and the upper variable. The lower variable will store all the characters which are in lowercase, and the upper variable which store all the characters that are in uppercase. Now we have created an array of the string. So we have applied the for loop. The for loop will check whether each character from the character array. If the character is in lowercase, then it will be stored in the lower variable, and if the character is in uppercase, then it will be stored in our uppercase. And at final we will print the lower and the upper variables by adding both the variables. So now let's run the code. It's asking for the input. So we have given TCS is best. So this is the input. Now what is below output? So this is the output here. So you can see all the small characters are coming first, and all the uppercase characters are coming before the lowercase characters. Okay, thank you.